What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Biswap BSW, which has pumped up over 15% in the last 24 hours. As you can see, pumped up even higher in the early hours of today, up to about 13 cents. However, it has taken a slight dip. So what we're going to be going through in today's video is looking at, is it going to keep dropping? Is it going to pump back up in value? So essentially covering both buyers and sellers point of view. Is it time to buy? Is it time to sell? Or is it simply time to hold on to it? And also looking at both short-term and long-term investors, looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023. Is this a good crypto to be investing into? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are on the Coinbase website. As you can see, the market is down just about a percentage in the last 24 hours, nothing too major, and we do have a decent amount of cryptos that are up as well, and we do have Biswap as one of the top gainers. As you can see, according to Binance, Biswap is the top gainer in the last 24 hours. So in the last hour, yes, it has taken a slight dip, a percentage over the last 24 hours. We can see it pumped up 35% earlier this morning, going from about 9 cents all the way up to 13 cents, and right now has taken a slight dip down to 11 cents, guys, making it 15% up over the last 24 hours. Over the week, it is 32% up, with major peaks here yesterday and in the early hours of today. And over the month, unfortunately, it is down 7%, with major drops here in early June. And again, this didn't happen just to Biswap, but it happened to most cryptocurrencies, where it's taken major drops, including Bitcoin, where it dropped down below $25,000, but we can clearly see it is back up to $30,000 right now. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up to $72 million in the last 24 hours, which is a huge percentage increase. Again, is one of the top gainers. It's gained a lot of value, so more and more people will be trading Biswap right now. We're going to be seeing a lot more buyers, a lot more sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading it. As you guys can see, it has gone up over 950% in the last 24 hours, which is absolutely insane. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So at the top here, we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Biswap, which is here in purple, at just about 9 cents. However, we can see it trading at much higher value here in green at 11 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, as usual, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite negative, looking quite bearish. Again, they are looking quite steep, guys, meaning it's not realistic. As mentioned plenty of times, whenever you see a MACD indicator looking this steep, either going in a negative or positive direction, it's not realistic. And in this case, it is going in a negative direction, and it's not realistic because it's looking very steep. The only reason it is looking so steep is because of the drop that's been taking place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks, you know what, this crypto is going to keep dropping, it's going to keep crashing, so on and so on. However, that is not the case. Over the next 12 to 14 hours, so towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I am expecting Biswap to drop in value, but again, nothing too crazy, potentially down to about 0.15 to 0.011, sorry, not 15, 0.105 to 0.11, somewhere in between here is where I'm expecting. Got a little bit confused there with the numbers and the zeros and so on, but yeah, 0.105 to 0.11 cents is where I'm expecting Biswap to be trading out over the next 12 to 14 hours. Again, it's not going to be exactly those values, but somewhere in between there is where I'm expecting it to be hovering around. Again, do expect it to drop, peaks, ups and downs, green and red candles, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side. But again, no major crashes are expected from Biswap at the moment. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can you see here? Over the next 7 to 8 days, we've got the blue and the orange line still looking bearish, still looking negative. However, they're not looking as steep as the previous chart, meaning it's much more realistic. However, over the next 7 to 8 days, so let's say towards the end of this week, early next week, I'm expecting an overall increase in value from Biswap. Again, nothing too crazy, guys, potentially heading up to about 13 to 14 cents is where I'm expecting this crypto to be trading at by the end of the week and early next week as well. However, this depends on how the crypto market performs, and in specific how Bitcoin performs. If it manages to pump up over 30,000, 32, 33,000, we are going to see increases in value. However, if it does drop below about $29,000, we are going to see some drops in the crypto market as well. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of days we're looking much more positive, guys. We've got both the blue and the orange line looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction. However, it's looking quite steep as well. Only reason is it's been pumping quite a bit over the last few days, so the graph thinks it's going to carry on that way over the next couple of weeks and so on. However, even though it's not realistic, I am expecting an overall increase in value from Biswap over the next 6 to 8 weeks. So in this case, I'm talking about mid to late August 2023. I am expecting Biswap to be more or less trading around the 20 to 23 cents target approximately over the next 2 months time, and hopefully we should be heading over 40 to 50 cents towards the very end of the year, guys. And as mentioned in the thumbnail, will it hit the dollar mark? Personally, yes, I do believe Biswap will be hitting the dollar mark. However, not this year. Potentially 2024 is the year where BSW is likely to hit the dollar mark. However, this of course depends on crypto news, how cryptocurrency performs with bullish, bearish moves. Sometimes we have crashes, sometimes like the year 2021 was an absolutely insane year for the crypto market where Bitcoin hit $60,000. So if that does manage to happen once again later this year, next year, whenever it is, then we are going to see major increases in the crypto market. But at the moment, I'm not expecting Biswap to be hitting the dollar mark this year. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on this crypto, guys. Let me know if you guys want regular updates on this crypto, and I'll be sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much for all the support. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.